Most people get VPNs wrong by assuming they all protect your privacy the same way, but AdGuard VPN takes a slightly different approach. Here's my honest review based on actual usage. AdGuard VPN focuses heavily on privacy and ad blocking. Unlike some VPNs that just encrypt your connection, AdGuard also blocks trackers, malicious sites, and ads in real time. The surprising truth is that this makes browsing faster in many cases because ads and trackers no longer slow down page loads. Installation is simple on desktop, mobile, and even some routers. Once connected, your IP is masked and your data is encrypted using industry standard protocols. Most people get this wrong by assuming a VPN only hides your location, but AdGuard also gives you extra control over DNS requests and traffic filtering. Performance is generally solid, though speeds can vary depending on the server you choose. AdGuard has servers in multiple regions, allowing you to access geo-restricted content. One limitation is that some streaming platforms may still detect VPN usage, so it's not perfect for every streaming need. Pricing is reasonable, with both monthly and annual plans available. If you combine the VPN with AdGuard's ad blocking suite, it creates a strong ecosystem for online privacy and speed. In conclusion, AdGuard VPN is best for users who want both privacy and ad blocking in one tool. It's not just a VPN, it's a safer, faster browsing experience. Subscribe for more honest VPN and privacy tool reviews so you can protect yourself online effectively.